Meanwhile, Chief Justice Martha Koome has appointed a 3-judge bench to hear and determine all petitions filed across the country by Deputy President Gachagua against his impeachment debate at the Senate. The decision comes as Monday filed another application under a certificate of urgency at the High Court to stop the Senate plenary from debating his impeachment on Wednesday and Thursday of this week. And as Ruth Wamboi reports, Gachagua has cited 10 grounds which he termed his impeachment as shambolic, unfair, and a vicarious assault on him.
As embattled Deputy President Gachagua strengthened legal battle against his impeachment, Supreme Court President Martha Koome has appointed a 3-judge bench as requested by his counsels last Friday. They had argued that the matter was too weighty to be handled by a single judge.
Pursuant to the court's direction that were issued on the 11th of October, we served all the parties with the pleadings and the order that was issued by the court on the 11th of October 2024.
The three, led by Judge Eric Ogola, Anthony Murima, and Frida Mugambi, have been tasked to hear out the petition filed by the Deputy President. Koome's move came even as High Court Judge Justice Chacha Mwita set Tuesday afternoon for ruling on Gachagua's applications to hold impeachment process at the Senate.
The remedy, if any, my lord, is to stay the first petition, my lord, in view of the fresh petition that raises fresh issues that could not have been covered with that first petition and given the constraints of time.
Gachagua's counsels, led by Paul Muite, argue that the impeachment risks barring him permanently from holding public office if the conservatory orders are not issued.
75% of the Kenyan people, 24,122, said the president and his deputy should be impeached together. So the overwhelming majority in this limited public participation voted in favor of both being impeached, but 93% were against the impeachment of the Deputy President.
They also termed the impeachment process a gross violation of the Constitution, marred with irregularities and illegalities.
We plead that you grant us a stay of that resolution, a stay of the impeachment in the Senate.
However, as lawyers Paul Nyamodi and Peter Wanyama, representing the National Assembly, Senate and the Speaker, argue that the reliefs Gachagua was seeking in court will still be accessible to him if he is impeached.
But the public have no compulsion to participate. There is no corresponding duty in the Constitution that when public participation takes place, then all citizens or a certain category of citizens of Kenyans must participate.
They can question the adequacy of that public participation, but my lord, public participation has been conducted to a sufficient degree of acceptability. My lord, that is why in the response, my lord, you can see numbers being quoted by the petitioner.
The court was further informed by the respondent that at this juncture, Gachagua's predicament is same as Governor Kawira Mwangaza's fate, and that he could wait for the legislative process to go on before coming to court. As the Deputy President Gachagua put another stab on Monday to stop his impeachment, the respondents have accused him for forum shopping behavior, citing that he cannot approbate and reprobate the suit. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Milimani's High Court.